Are you ready to join me in this particular savings challenge that will help you save $1,000 for an emergency fund if you don't have one? Yeah, you can join me right now if you don't have an emergency fund, which is very important to have. And guess what? It is working with small amounts of money. So join me in this particular savings challenge that will help you get your emergency fund started and keep it going. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergency, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you. If you're saving money for an emergency fund, you will be happy if you're saving money for emergency and emergency comes. You don't want to have to go out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. It's like giving away money. Okay? Now, if you're doing something like this, that's good, because it can cause you to have passive income and it can help you become financially free. Yes. So this is good. Okay? Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And it is working with small amounts of money. What you need is this. This is 10 $1 bills. Okay? That's how much money you need. And you also need this, some kind of container to put the money in. Now, you don't have to get one of these, but you need something to put the money in. Now, this I call this my money bottle savings challenge, and I got this bottle from Walmart. It was around $13, $14, I believe. It was filled with water. I bought the bottle, brought it home, poured the water out, and I've been stuffing it with 10 $1 bills ever since 2024. Now, my plan was to save $1,000 in 2024, but from the beginning to the end of 2024, it was only $500. So I carried it over to this year. So if it took a year to save $500, it was going to take another year to save another $500. So by the end of this year, it will be $1,000. And we know we want to save at least $1,000 for an emergency fund. And that will cover emergency up to $1,000, okay? We don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. And if you can, try to save a year's worth of living expenses, okay? So what you do, sit down and calculate your living expenses for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6. That way, if you have something like this, you can still pay your rent, your gas bill, your electric bill, your mortgage, your cell phone, your car insurance, your car payment. And if you have some of these, you can still pay that too. You want to still be able to keep things going on in case something like this happens, and then until you find, some more work or whatever. And if something like this happens, you will have money to tap into to take care of things like this. I've stated before that one time I was off for 5 months. And this was my situation. Okay? Yeah. So anyway, and this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation. Now, if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have multiple streams of income. Okay? All right. If you work a 9 to 5 and you don't make that much, find one that's paying more money. You can do things like get side hustles, become an entrepreneur, start a business. There's tons of things that you can do. If you don't know what you can do, go on YouTube, do a search. Go on Google, do a search on things you can do. You know, just kind of start thinking about things that you know how to do and that you can, where you can make some money. Yeah. Okay. And this is a great savings challenge. If this is your situation, I don't know if I showed these cards already, because like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Yes, it does. Okay? Now, if you can, do whatever you can to come out of this. You might have to increase your salary to do this. That way, that can help you save money for emergency. It can help you save and invest. We don't want to just have emergency fund. We want to be financially free. And when you don't have to pay things like this, now if you're already financially free, that's different. But, you know, trying to reach financially freedom, having this and a bunch of this, that will keep you from being financially free. Okay, so we are going to stuff this money bottle with these 10 $1 bills. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and add this money to this money bottle. Yeah. To me, this is another fun savings challenge. I try to make this fun. And also, I try to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies if they're not. Within the last couple of weeks, I've run across 2 people that are not saving money for emergencies. And when I run across these people, you know, I don't look down on them. I just thank God that I'm doing these videos, because this is showing me there are a lot of people out here working, making money, and don't even have a mind to save. I used to be like that. I ain't have a mind to save. I was making enough money to save money for emergency. I wouldn't have been in this situation for 5 months, you know. But anyway, we live and we learn, so learn from me. Okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, is there anybody that's watching these videos saw this bottle when I first started in January 2024? This bottle was empty. Now look at it. So that just goes to show, if you had started with me in 2024 with this, you should have this amount of money saved. Okay? All right. Or maybe you will have more, because now, just because I said you do 10 $1 bills, you can do more. You don't have to just do 10 $1 bills. Okay, today is Monday, October the 6th, and this is our money bottle savings challenge. We added $10, and last Monday the total amount was $910. So now it is $920. That means we only have $80 more to go, and it will be $1,000. And like I said, it took 2 years to do this. But I'm just trying to show you all, you can save money for emergency, no matter how long it takes. All right? And if you do this, you'll be glad that you did. Okay, so Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of it. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. And I want to say I appreciate all the comments and all the encouragement you all are giving me. Okay, so you all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.